Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. It's the Cooking Nurse, and today in this video we are going to be making potato and egg kebabs. Stick around and see how you can pull off this crunchy on the outside and super soft and tasty on the inside snack. So I'll be using potatoes, which I'm going to peel, and then I'll clean in water and then put them on fire and boil them for approximately 10 minutes to 15 minutes because I don't really want them to cook so much. So once they boil, they become a bit tender. If you pass a fork or a toothpick, it can go through, but the potato will not break into half, just like this. So on the other saucepan, we boil our eggs. It's going to depend on how many eggs you're going to use. For this particular recipe, I'm going to use 3 eggs, and the 4th is my son's. So it depends on how many eggs you want. So we boil them, and then on this pan we heat some oil and pan fry some onions. I just realized that fried onions are like a bag of flavors. There's a difference they make when you get them caramelized and then you add them into things like food, already cooked food. Yeah, there's a flavor they bring in that is heavenly. So don't burn the onions. Just keep turning on low heat until they are golden brown. So on our plate, we are going to grate our boiled Irish, just like this. And the reason we are not mashing the potatoes for this particular kebabs is because mashed potatoes tend to fall apart, and these grated ones, because they still have that crunchiness, they don't fall apart when you like fry them or put them together. So these are our potatoes that we've grated, and we are going to put them in a bowl, in a large bowl, where we are going to mix everything from. Using the same grate, we are going to grate the boiled eggs and add them into the Irish. On this plate, we are having our seasonings and spices. We have turmeric, we have cumin powder, we have paprika, we have curry powder, and then we have black pepper and salt. All these are teaspoons apart from salt. Salt you put there according to what you can manage. Then we have fresh dhania or coriander leaves. So put all these spices in there, and then the fresh dhania, fresh coriander leaves, and then add in our fried onions. Using my hands, I am going to go in and mix everything together and make sure each and everything is so together like you cannot tell. Well, of course, the onions will not be so mixed up, but then I mix until everything, all the spices are evenly distributed. Just like this. And then I'll put oil on my hands. This is going to help me roll these without them sticking on my hands. So I make these small balls. These are perfect for children who do not want to eat Irish and eggs just the way they are. You can just make for them and then put those simple spices for them. Or you can also add in garlic, you can also put in ginger, you can put any spice of your liking. And then they are like so sweet and like a change in a meal. You know, no more Irish and eggs. Somehow becomes boring. But if you make these simple kebabs, they can be tasty, beautiful, and appetizing. So these are the ones we've been able to make out of our Irish and eggs, and it's time to get into the cooking. However, before we do that, we are going to wash them through the eggs and then also into the breadcrumbs to get that crunchy finish when we are done frying. Like on the outside, it's that crispy, crunchy, then when you go inside, it just melts in your mouth. So just like that, we dip it in the egg, then cover it with the breadcrumbs. And yeah, just like that, this is what we've been able to get, and let's get into the frying. So using medium heated oil on a pan, we are going to go in with our kebabs and fry them each side until they are golden brown. Then we can turn them, and once we are sure it's all cooked well, then we can remove and serve. Every food is good when served hot. Most times food is good when served hot, so even these ones, when they get cold, the breadcrumb coating kind of gets cold and wet-ish. So most times if you serve cold, they don't taste as great as hot ones. So we are done. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you're new here, this is the first video of mine you've watched, I would kindly request you to subscribe to my channel because I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss my next video. So please subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and see you soon in my next video. Bye.